Alright, I am on the beach, Cedar Point Beach, walking around. Right, Blakey? View, it's so nice. Love this. It's so pretty out here. Oh, good Lord. There's people like out here metal detecting. You probably can't hear me because the wind. We're going to throw a seagull feather in the water that we found. Someone's sandcastle. Bunch of seaweed. And a dead fish or something. Dead fish. You keep going back. Cedar Point Beach Walk. Me and my son are on a beach walk. Blakey, keep coming this way. I think we're going to go get prices on those jet skis. Not that we're like going to rent a jet ski or anything, but come on, Blake. The good thing about this is I think it's going to tire my son out. Like, okay. This way. We're just venturing out. I don't even know where we're going. Look at the doggies! The service doggies are so cute. You're like right up by this thing.
Oncoming runners, welcome to Lake Erie. Please watch your way to the Sandusky.
Oh yeah, Mickey! Honey bear! Mickey! Yeah! Sign out! Yeah, Mikey! Wait, Blake, come here! Hang on, Blakey! This way! Get over here! Come on! Look at the Ferris wheel going! I don't know what this is. I think this might be. I don't know. What is this? Blakey! This way! Ow. Look at all the seagulls! Hang on, Blakey! Come on, let's go up this way! Hang on, Blake!